said it was the last video for today, but we literally just stumbled across another abandoned house. So we're going in. This is how we do it. Yeah. Alright guys. Look at this. We've just stumbled across this place, so we're having a quick look at it.
There's another shed out there.
Oh yeah, there's sheds out here too. Alright, we gotta get a quick look at this house. Got all of these on the floor. It's a fireplace. I reckon it could be, but that's...
It would have been one of those fires, but it would have been one of those ones that, like, one of those black fires that, you know, have it, like, sit in the middle and then have a chimney to
But that is a really weird spot to have
so
it.
it wouldn't have been a brick fire. It would have been like a...
Especially like... Fire. This is weird. Especially like the front door is like right there. It's just unusual, guys.
I reckon it's a pot-belly fire.
Tell me what you guys think. Wait, I'll go this way.
No, I'm going with you. Fuck this. Going up to the last homeless guy house.
Look at this. This would have been a pretty cool house. What's in here? Bit more graffiti. Oh, that flooring though. I didn't even see that, but that flooring. Look at this. That's been walked all over. Someone's just decided to put it up here.
By the same person.
What's in here? Oh yeah, we've got another room here. This one's pretty cool. Oh, what? Dude, look at all that stuff back there.
What? Oh, shit.
Dude, like they were like full animal coops and everything, like animal barns.
That's mad.
There's 2 of them. Oh my god.
We've found so far.
Guys, we have to come back here and get footage of this whole place. Like that's insane. Actually, fuck it. I'm gonna run over there and have a quick look. Alright, so here's one of the sheds, guys. We've got this building over here. That place looks sketchy as and looks a bit creepy. Whoa, look at all this stuff! What the hell, dude? We've just stumbled into a gold mine. Not lack of stuff, I mean just like a gold mine of exploration videos. Holy crap, guys. Holy shit. Look, there's a Holden bonnet over there. That looks like a Cali Origami bonnet. Oh, nice, dude. Oh my god. Even that house there looks creepy as shit. But we're gonna go and have a look over there. Guys, we've just stumbled across a chicken coop. An old one. And there's another one over there.
Look at the insulation sprayed on the roof.
Dude, that is crazy. Oh, we are coming back here and having a proper look at this place when we can.
Fuck yeah.
Dude, this place is insane. Like, look at this. All of this is still here, but check this out. Look at that. All of this is still here.
Oh, wow.
Dudes. What the hell? This would have been
one of them hell bad chicken coops, though. Where there would have been like thousands of them, I reckon.
Yeah, but look at this.
Look at all this dried up chook shit.
Oh, yeah.
So that's all chook shit. That's not even ground. Look.
Yeah, I know.
The ground starts there, G.
Dude, how cool is this? I can't believe we found this. What the hell? Oh my god. This is absolutely insane. Oh boy, all the way up the top of the silo. I would stand on top of it, bro, but it is so sketchy up here. I'm getting down.
Legit, that is someone's room. Go have a look, bro.
Is it?
Like, there is like, have a look in there. It is from someone's room.
Right, I don't want to go in there and then that dude just come fucking running out, you know?
We don't mean any harm. There is anyone in here.
Yeah, we
Just,
don't mean any harm, dude.
Having a look.
Oh shit, yeah, you're right, that is someone's room. Oh dude, I don't even want to get a proper... Dude, let's just leave him be.
Someone set up a room in there.
Someone has legit set up a room in this house, bro. Like, what did I tell you? Looks like a murder scene or what? That is creepy as. How long do I have? I've still got 4 minutes of footage. I've still got 4 minutes of footage. Yeah, boy. I thought I had less than that. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh, no, fuck that. That's open, bro.
Holy shit, there's someone there. I swear I just saw it.
Fuck that.
Oh, bro, my hand. Right, I got it. I swear I just saw a hand.
Don't say that, bro. You scared the fuck out of me.
No, I swear I just saw a hand. I'm not even joking. I swear I just saw a hand.
Hello?
Huh?
Is there someone there? Dude, we don't mean any harm.
I swear.
Yeah, no, we're getting out of here, man. That was just... Freaky! Just keep that like that just in case he comes running up from behind. Dude, that was insane. I can't believe it. We just seen this house. And it was like, oh, here's another abandoned place. So we go to check it out. Turns out it's a massive farmhouse. Who would have thought? Massive chicken coops and everything. Oh, dude. Did you drop your phone?
Oh, okay, fuck. We've got to go back.
Oh no, we've got to go back, guys. Shit. Alright. We're going back. We have to go back. There's no way around it.
Falling out of my pocket.
Alright guys, so this is the scariest part right now. Jason's just lost his phone at this place that we were just at with this supposed person inside. So we've got to come back here and find his phone and grab it before we go. He's got it. He's got it. Let's fuck out of here. Alright guys, yeah, we're getting the hell out of this place. No way we are staying here any longer. I only grabbed this rock as self-protection. I'm just letting you guys know, because if there is a person in there, bro, you don't want to mess around with them because you have no idea why they're here and at these places. They can be unpredictable as all hell. That's why I'm thankful I've got my mate Jason here with me today. Because stuff that, man, if I was by myself and we had to I ran into that. There is no way. Oh. Yeah, anyway, I hope you guys like the videos. This is the last house for today. I think that's just a clear sign that, yeah, no more explorations today. My hands are still shaking, dude. Oh, legit, I swear we saw somebody in there. It was all topped off and everything. There was a couch, there was couches and stuff in there and a bed. Definitely looked like someone was living in there. Oh, dude. Yeah, you can see the shaky, bro, in the camera. But anyway, yeah, I hope you guys give me a like and subscribe, share, follow if you want to see some more content, guys. This is what we do.